Yeah, with the advent of artificial intelligence and autonomous things, we have to be concerned about the compliance and security. So everybody's heard about GDPR, the General Data Protection Regulations from the EU, and they're the ones that's why you get the pop-up warning you about cookies when you go to websites. Um, and if your systems collect information from users that are in the EU, uh, and you have their personal information, then you have to comply to the GDPR. Fines can be up to 20 million euros. In December of 2019, Germany handed out a 9.5 million euro fine to a telecommunications company, and the reason was for failing to have sufficient technical and organization measures in place to protect customer data in their call centers. Starwood, the owners of Marriott hotel chain, is facing a 99 million pound fine from the UK because of a breach that actually happened back in 2014, but wasn't discovered until recently. Uh, so there are a lot of fines being handed out there. In fact, so far in 2020, there have been 29 companies fined, with the largest of them being a Brazilian telecommunications company, which was fined 27.8 million euros for insufficient legal basis for data processing. So that's interesting. There are 7 main principles for GDPR that we can look at here. The first one is lawfulness, fairness, and transparency of processing of data. Limitations on the specific purpose of the processing of data. So you've got to have a specific purpose. Minimization of data collected and processed. Of course, accuracy of the data that you're processing. Specific limitations of the storage of the data. Integrity and confidentiality of the data, so you've got to keep it secure. And then, of course, accountability for the data that you're processing. Once you have it, you own the responsibility.